Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Meaning, huwag mong ilagay lahat ng resources, ideas sa isang basket lang. For example, kung marami kang hustle, alagaan mo ang bawat isa para lahat sila maging profitable. You also need to clear your priorities. Piliin mo alin ang main business at alin ang side hustle mo. For example, kung e-commerce owner ka, tapos may affiliate marketing ka, make it clear kung sino ang primary driven ng income. You also need to have a solid system. Huwag basta mag-multitask. Gumagamit ka ng calendar or tools para lang alam mo kung kailan ka magpo-post, magpo-promote, magpo-follow up, or magla-launch. You also need to have a cash flow management. Huwag lang basta gumastos lahat sa side hustle. Dapat may budget ka para sa bawat isa. Marami sa atin gusto magka-extra income, so we venture to other businesses. Hindi sa dami ng ginagawa naka-base ang success, kundi sa kung paano mo sila pinaprioritize, sinesystemize, at minamanage ang pera mo. And at the end of the day, pwede maging profitable lahat ng assets mo.